How to contact Commnia. When you encounter any issues or need assistance with Commnia, our dedicated support team is ready to help you every step of the way. Here are ways to connect with us and get the support you need. Go to the help icon and select Submit a Support Ticket. This will bring up your email browser where you can send us an email. Please provide a clear description of the issue you're facing. By doing so, it will ensure your inquiry is tracked and actioned promptly. You can reach our support team by calling the number displayed on screen. Our knowledgeable support agents will be available to address your concerns and provide immediate assistance over the phone. You can explore our comprehensive knowledge base by clicking on the search bar and entering a brief description of your topic. You will be able to find the article that suits your needs. You can also search by category, allowing you to easily find related articles suited to the function you wish to perform. It's accessible 24/7 and is a valuable resource for self-help and troubleshooting. You can get in contact with us via our chat button. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the chat button. A pop-up will appear at the bottom right where you can start a call or chat with us. Fill in your details and start the chat. This will help you connect with a support team member, allowing us to troubleshoot via chat or request screen share if necessary. Rest assured that once the support session is completed, the connection will be promptly disconnected, ensuring the safety of your information and privacy. We are committed to providing you with exceptional support and resolving any issues you may encounter promptly. Whether it's through submitting a support ticket, calling our support line, accessing the knowledge base, using screen sharing, or chatting with us, we are here to ensure your experience with Commnia is smooth and successful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support our channel. Commnia, support you can count on.